Let's talk about Ysense, one of those legit websites that gives you the opportunity to stay at the comfort of your home and make money online. If you come to my paper right here, you see that on the 17th of April 2022, Ysense actually sent me $500 just by doing what I'm going to show you in this video. Alright? If you want to be at the position where you can be making at least $500 from Ysense, all I want you to do for me is not to skip any part of this video. Alright? Stay tuned, don't skip any part. If you're a professional, if you know how to use this website already, I will guess this video is not for you. But if you're a beginner, this video is rightly for you. Sit down and relax so that I will walk you through how you can be in the position of making this type of money here. Alright? Now, if you don't know what Ysense is, it's basically a get paid website that gives you the opportunity to earn money online. It's either by doing surveys, offers, affiliate, or all other things. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through step by step so that you understand how it works. Ysense is almost available worldwide, but there are some few countries that are a little bit restricted. Alright, so you can always check it out to see if your country is part of it. But for the major parts of the world, Ysense is available. Alright, the most interesting thing about this website is that you don't need to be an expert to get everything started. You don't need to be a professional before you can start making money from Ysense. All you need is just a laptop, a smartphone, and a good access to the internet. Then you are good to go. Okay, and once you start making money from Ysense, you can actually cash out through PayPal, Payoneer, Amazon, Skrill, and it's going to vary based on your location. Alright, you might have different options from what I'm having here based on where you're living. So the payment method is not only restricted to this. Okay, they are showing me this based on my location. Your location is going to determine what is going to be your payment method. And if you don't want to use that main website with your laptop, you can actually come to Play Store and install the app on your phone. Alright, once you install the app on your phone, you're going to have the same option as the one of the website. Alright, so you have many possibility of making money from Ysense. Now that you know what Ysense is all about and what it is, what we need to do now is to go ahead and create an account. Alright, to do that, just come to this place. It's already here. Just put in your email here, create a specific password. Alright, and once you done that, hit on this button. Alright, and hit on join now. Then you're gonna be on this page, and here they're gonna ask you about your name. What you need to do is just to put in your name here, but since I have my account already, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use another name. Alright, you need to put in your first name here and your last name here. And once you done that, just hit on the next button. Then you're gonna be asked to create your username. On the username, I just choose a random name. Alright, for the sake of this video, once you have a username, just click on this button and set complete. You are all set. Thanks for updating your details. Then it's gonna load. Then you're gonna be asked to agree to all the terms of use. You can go through it if you're not so convinced to know what it's all about. Alright, and once you've done that, just hit on this button that said agree and continue. Then you're gonna be on the home page like this. Alright, now I'm gonna walk you through the 5 basic way of which you can earn money from Ysense. Alright, the very first way to make money from Ysense is through the daily post. Okay, for you to do that, just hit on this button that says surveys. Then you're going to see the daily pool down here. Click on it. Then you're going to be on this page. Here, they are basically going to ask you a random question. And no matter of the answer you choose, you are right. You can never get it wrong. Like the question right here is, do you have ego to recite for potlucks? No matter what you choose here, you're gonna get it right, and they're gonna give you something out of it. Okay, if I should choose the very first one, which is yes I have, then I will say vote now and earn 1 cent. Then everything is gonna come up in percent, but it doesn't really matter. You can always do this daily. All right, and if I go ahead and refresh this page and check my account, I'm gonna see it here. They just give me 1 cent just by doing that. But this is just the beginning. That is not the main way to make money, but this is something you can do daily. Alright, the very second method of which you can use to make money from Ysense is through what's called profile questions. Okay, they are going to pay you for you to complete your profile. If you want to do that, come to this place where it says surveys again and click on the very first link where it's complete surveys. Then you're going to be on this page. Okay, here they're going to be paying you 2 cents for every 10 questions about your profile. That is basically about yourself. Alright, and this is going to be some of the questions, like which of the following device do you use to play game. And once you click on here, you're going to have the option. You can choose anything you like. Always make sure you know what you choose in case they re-ask you of the question again. Alright, and the third way to make money from Ysense is through survey, which is the most popular one. If you click on this button, you're going to be given some surveys. The very first one here, they are going to pay you 5 cents, but you can see as time goes on, the money is going to increase. That is, if you can unlock this, you will have more chance to do more surveys, okay, that are going to pay well. You can see most of the survey here are going to pay you $3 and $4. You can choose this way if you are so good doing survey. If you are the type of person who knows how to do survey, you can choose to do survey. Me myself, I'm not a survey fan. I don't like to do survey. Now the fourth way to make money from Ysense is through offers. Alright, and that happened to be one of my favorite. If you click here or you click on this button right here, you're gonna be on the same page. Okay, if I just click on this button and say cash offer, or you click here where it says offer, it basically means the same thing. If you click on it, you're gonna be on the offer page. This happened to be one of my favorites because doing this offer gives me more opportunity to earn more money. Alright, you can see some of this offer are going to pay $45, $3, $20, and most of this offer are sign up or testing of new products. All right, and if you go through this offer, you see that most of them are going to pay well. All right, and most of them are going to give you the opportunity to test the product. They must ask you to deposit some money, but at the end of the day, you're going to still make the money right here. All right, so that's the reason why doing offers is one of my favorite in get paid to website. And the fifth way to make money, which is not the last way to make money, but the fifth way to make money from Ysense is through affiliate. All right, if you click on this affiliate, here is the place where the magic is going to happen, and this is the same thing that I used to make over $500 from Ysense. Okay, the affiliate program is one of the best affiliate program out there. All right, before we go deeper into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Ysense. On this channel, I teach about different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. So if you want to be part of the family, you want to be among those people who want to make money online, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video on how to stay at home and make money online, you're going to be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And you know what that means? If you're that first person to be notified by YouTube, you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to make money with the video. Alright, and if you are finding this video to be helpful and a little informative, please do give me a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video out to more people who are looking for different ways to make money online. Now you might be wondering, how was I able to use this affiliate to make over $500? Now let me explain to you. The very first thing here is that if you make anybody to sign up through your affiliate link, you're going to be giving starting from 10 cents to 30 cents. Okay, and that is not all. The second one is for every approved offer your referral completes, you're going to earn a whopping 20% of their commission. That's another big deal, right? And the third one is once your referral earn their first $5 excluding commissions and bonuses, you will also earn extra $2 bonus. That means through this affiliate, they have given us already 3 ways that we can use it to make more money from this website. All right, and the last but not the least of it is the more active your referral are, the more you're going to earn. Everybody might not be able to do this, but these 3 right here, we can use it to make more money. Through these 3 methods was how I was able to make more money. Okay, and now you might be wondering, how are you going to promote this affiliate link? That's another big question. Now, one of the simple ways that I'm going to show you to promote your affiliate link, because there are various ways and many ways of which you can promote this your affiliate link. All right, now the easy and the free and the most easy way that you can do it is to go to Twitter. Once you're here, search for make money online. Okay, and once you are here, what I want you to do is to click on any of this profile relating to make money online. Okay, and you can see most of their posts are about making money online. Okay, and once you click on the post, what I want you to do is to compose a little message right here, and once you've done that, put your affiliate link. Okay, and most of these people that are coming here to be commenting are going to be clicking through your link. Most of them will be convinced to sign up based on what you write here. Okay, the message that you're going to write here is going to be here for years, for months, days, and each time those people sign up, you're going to be earning money from Ysense. Okay, if you go through it, you see that some people are already doing it. Okay, see this guy here that said make money from the comfort of your home, and he actually put his link here, and most people now will be tempted to click on this link, and once they do that, they will try to sign up. Doing that already, you'll be making money from Ysense. Okay, so this is one of the free strategies that you can use to make more money from Ysense through the affiliate program. Okay, if you watch this video to this point and you're not so convinced of using this website, this video that's going to pop up right here is going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. And that's not all, it's going to show you different methods of which you can be paid $35 per hour. Okay, it's basically work from home job, and the website are willing to pay you $35 per hour. You can click on it to see it yourself. All right, so see you next time with another video again just like this on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.